Let's do it. Okay. Today we're gonna put in how to quit out. Thing I need to. I gotta figure this out.
with a 2D node and a scale up in some text.
Hey guys, where's my productions?
There, I guess.
Anajamizats just followed.
And James Art, what's up? Thanks for coming to hang out. Why is this doing the thing? Thanks for the follow, by the way. Suddenly isn't working. Well, let me restart. Those are some weird stuff. Well, we are working on a 2D platformer in Godot. In a way, that is true, yes. Started today. I gotta see if this works again. Now it just wants to work. But yeah, so you're essentially the first one. Okay. That did that. I wanted. Okay. Yeah. Strange. Press it. Get it. Here now, if we try. Just a game dev. I've done a little bit of programming, but this is an entirely different script. And I haven't used it yet, but it seems pretty easy. I just have to like learn more. This. It did. It did not save. Okay. Try that again. Perfect. So we essentially press escape. Boom. Okay, well that's good. Let's say I'll save time. Well, I've studied bits and pieces of programming for probably about 10 years now. But it's been very little like some HTML and SQL. C Sharp, but a lot of my game dev stuff comes from modding Bethesda games like Skyrim. And they use a programming language called Papyrus, which is kind of like a C++ variant. It's like it's similar to like Godot's language, only it's just the language that Bethesda devs use. And I've been modding on their stuff for a while, but I really got into it last year, like in January last year. And now we're just starting making our own game from scratch. What we got so far? We got parallax backgrounds. We got platforms. Probably gonna edit the terrain a little bit. Not actually, I don't know. Excuse you. But yeah, I got some experience. Yeah, so I mean, nuclear swords is kind of just a passion project for me. And essentially, we're like, I don't know, I'm sure you've heard or follow Pirate Software, and he's kind of like a good inspiration, but I want to not just do game dev, but do like modding stuff too. Okay, I'm gonna do now. Well, I can continue on with the level, I suppose. Oh, I can. That's right. Platform. Okay. So let's see what we can do here. Oh God. The heck did? Okay. Yep, that's not good. We're in the U.S. We're in Michigan. Platform. That's right. That's what I was gonna do. Do this. That's. Make a different platform, like just dirt. Oh, really? Florida? I've been to Florida a few times. Really humid. They've been deployed there once, back when the hurricanes hit. Random dots for variety. I haven't heard a lot about hurricanes this year. I don't remember when hurricane season is. That'll work. Got. I don't know how I always forget to put the music on. Save it. Okay, now we can make body sprite. Collision shape. Well, let's put the sprite in. There. Now we can define that. Gotta do. One-way collision. Dirt platform. Let's put this in. Put it right. Oh, you're a digital artist? You do like 3D stuff? Or do you do like graphic design? Nation player. Try. Oh, that's right. Roll. Nope. Alt. That. Loop twice and automatically play. VTuber stuff, that's got to be hard to do. Okay. Yeah, that works. Oh no. That's not hard, but you can definitely fail at it. I made it and failed at it. Okay, kind of cool. Eventually on that spot, there's going to be like a scroll. Excuse me. A scroll you can pick up. Okay. Pause. Stop. All right, let's get... Okay, I got it. Yes. Got it. Back to above player tile map. Oh, actually, delete that. And then we'll go back here. That. Let's see. Some trees down. Yikes. What's below them again? Scratch that. Go to this one. Oh my god, that's awesome. What? I'll show you. I didn't know what was gonna happen. So like, I was worried that if I wanted to put there, but then if I do that, you see it kind of like cuts it. I have like a different layer, or if I put it, it'll be there, but it's gonna do like another secondary effect that I can't. It's gonna be cool. So the player is gonna go in front of this first tree, but behind the next. I'm gonna test that right now. We're gonna test that right now. If I don't die, if I can get past my own platformer. Yeah, that's doing it. That's pretty sick. In for any kind of help. Well, so, like about help. This game, and if you'll notice from like things like the art and the thumbnail and stuff that I put up, well, the thumbnail for YouTube and the art that I have up on Twitter, you can tell that the art is not drawn that great. Very beginner level. Because I don't know. I've never really had the hand for art. But I wanted this to be something that, you know, doesn't really matter how it looks. But things like wallpapers and thumbnails, I'm still debating whether or not I would have someone else draw them. I'm not sure. Like the pixel art and stuff is something that, you know, I think at least looks pretty good right now. Not bad. Yeah, I mean, like, this project specifically, I'm not sure if I'm looking for, like, art. But I do know on a future project that I may be looking for art. That's something that'll happen in the future. I don't know how far in. A couple months, probably. Right back to below the player. Oh, what just happened? Below the player. Yeah, that looks. I love that. Might put another one here. Below one. I think it'll fit. Oh, tile map. Okay, right there. That'll look good. Okay. Now I got an enemy. We're gonna look this up again. Can't remember how to do this.
And now you can see that it's going to start ping-ponging back and forth, if this is satisfied. Enemy. A proper hero, of course, needs a good enemy. So let's make one. Let's create a new scene.
Yeah.
And since this enemy doesn't need to collide with anything, we can just go ahead and use a Node 2D as the base. Let's also add an animated sprite. So I'll search for animated sprite 2D. Let's go to animation.
All right. Oh, yeah. Well, what do the enemies will look like? But right. Okay, let's get back to the engine. That, like you said, faded right D. God. Try that again. Oh, right. Oh, that's right.
Add some new sprite
Okay, let's try.
frames. Select them and let's load in from the sprite sheet.
Oh. Yeah, that's right. Six. Faster than that. Slower than that. Cool. To me.
here. In the pack, there's both a green and a purple version of the enemy. I'm just going to choose the green one. And this is a 4x3. And I've included 3 animations here, one for the enemy kind of waking up, an aggressive idle animation, as well as one where the enemy takes damage. So I'll use the idle animation here. Let's add these 4 frames. Let's hit F and zoom in. I'm also going to move this up, set the animation to autoplay and the FPS to 10. And now if we preview, we have an animated slime. And this is where things get really cool. Because we made our kill zone into a reusable scene, we can simply use it for our enemy as well. So at the top here, I'll add in a new scene. I'm going to select the kill zone. And now all we need to do is give this a collider. So Control A, search for collision shape. Let's add. So at the top here, I'll add in a new scene. I'm going to select the kill zone. And now all we need to do is
What kills?
give this here. I'll add in a new scene. I'm going to select the kill zone.
Oh. What is going on? We're all kinds of unorganized. Go back here.
And now all we need to do is give this a collider. So Control A, search for collision shape. Let's add in a rectangle, fit it to fit our enemy. By the way, I'm holding down Alt to scale uniformly. And with that, we can simply rename our top node here to slime and save it as a scene. Now in our game, we can drag it in. I'm going to place it over here as a scene. Now in our game, we can drag it in. I'm going to place it over here. And if we play now and move to the enemy, we can see that just by throwing together a couple of nodes and reusing our
90. Okay. Go back. if it's there. Well, you can bring that. Automatic should be on now. Yeah. Okay. All right. Heck. All right.
Killzone, we've successfully added a new element of danger to our game. If we enter the enemy, we can see that indeed our game restarts. Of course, currently dying doesn't look very exciting. We'll fix that in the next chapter. But first, let's make our enemy move back and forth. We could, of course, do this using an animation player, just like we did for our platforms. However, I think it would be cooler to make a script that moves our enemy to the right until we get close to a wall, in which case it changes direction and starts moving left. This way we can simply drag and drop the enemy between any two walls in our game and our script will do the rest. So let's start by making our enemy move to the right. So I'll go into the slime, add a new script, use the default template and place it under the scripts folder, and hit create. Let's get rid of the ready function, and instead we're going to be using process. Just like movies, video games display motion by drawing frames and showing them in quick succession. While movies show frames at a fixed rate, most often 24 frames per second, we can add functionality to the game loop using the other function in the template, process. Unlike ready, which only runs once, process runs every frame. This makes it perfect for doing things over time, such as moving an enemy. We simply make sure to change the position of the enemy a tiny bit each frame. So in our script, we can simply remove the pass keyword and instead access the position of our slime, more specifically the x-coordinate of our position, and add 1 pixel to this every frame. Then in our game, let's go ahead and place a slime close to our player so that we can see this happening, and play. And as you can see, the enemy just shoots past us on the screen. Now, one problem with this that might not be obvious, other than it's moving way too quickly, is that we are increasing the X position every frame by a fixed amount. And because our frame rate can vary, this means that the enemy will sometimes move faster than others, which is not very good. To fix this, we use this little thing here called delta. Delta is the amount of time that has gone by since the last frame. If we are drawing many frames per second, delta gets really small. And if we lag out a bit and are not drawing as many frames, delta becomes bigger. Because of this, we can use delta to compensate for variations in frame rate. If we have a high frame rate, we want to only move our enemy a little each frame. And if we have a low frame rate, we want to move it a lot. In other words, we can multiply our movement by delta to make it independent of the frame rate. Now, delta can be a bit hard to wrap your head around at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. A good rule of thumb is that whenever we have a speed value that we can adjust, such as our 1 here, we should probably multiply it with delta. So in our script, we simply go plus equals 1 multiplied with delta. Now what this essentially means is that we are going to be moving 1 pixel per second, which is not very fast. So let's instead change this to something like 60. And we can actually store this speed in a constant at the top of our script, just like in the movement script. So here I'll write const speed and set it equal to 60. Then we can simply use speed here instead of hard coding the value. This makes it easy to change constants right at the top of your script. And now if we play, we can see that our enemy is moving at a reasonable rate, and we know that this speed won't change from system to system. So let's get rid of this extra slime here, and instead make this one actually change direction whenever we face a wall. To do this, we need a way to control the direction we're currently moving in. So let's create a variable that does this. We'll create a var, call it direction, and set it equal to 1 by default. Then if we need to
makes
go in
sense.
the opposite direction, we'll set it to -1 instead. And to actually apply this, all we need to do is multiply it into our speed. So we'll go direction times speed times.
Okay. Obviously, positive direction will go to the right, and negative direction will go to
Times delta. This is a really standard way of doing
negative
movement.
x.
We simply add onto our position in a direction multiplied by speed and delta. So now all we need to do is check if the enemy gets close to a wall. And for this, we'll use a new type of node, the raycast node. Raycast
Gonna be a little tricky for this, because this guy's not hitting a wall. He's just not walking off the edge.
Casts are invisible rays that we can shoot out to detect collisions. So inside of our slime here, let's add a new node of type raycast2d. And as you can see, it draws an arrow to represent this. Let's move the starting point here to the center of our enemy, and let's have it shoot out to around here. I'm gonna rename this to raycast right. I'm then gonna press Ctrl D to duplicate. I'm gonna have this shoot out in the opposite direction and rename this to raycast left. Now in our script, we can reference these nodes just like we did with our timer. We simply select them both, click and drag, and hold down Ctrl while releasing. As you can see, this creates two variables, one raycast right and a raycast left. Then every frame before we move our slime, we will go ahead and check if we are currently colliding to the right or to the left. If raycast right dot is colliding, if this raycast is hitting something, well then colon, and then make sure to indent here with the tab. We will set our direction to be -1. If we are
Guess I need a collision shape. Here. Okay. Come back to that physics layer. Hmm. one. Oh boy. I'm lost. I get it to move. Edge.
Colliding through in this direction. Luckily, if we go inspect our animated sprite here, under offset, we have this flip age property. 2D. I'm just gonna get rid of the 2D here to make the name a bit shorter. And then whenever we are
Trying to think of how I can. I make a collide. It's invisible. That's right. Let's try this. Back.
colliding on the right here, and we change direction to move. If towards the left, we will see hooray. We'll go to our app, and when we are colliding on the left and we're changing direction,
Oh, yeah. See if that works now. God's sake. There. Hopefully that worked. Like he just walked off. Okay. Here. Oh, I see. Could be. Should be. Now it should work. No, he just walked off again. That. Maybe it's because. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. It got us. And we can do this. weird, freaky looking thing. How about that? No. Yeah, actually, what if... What if I did... Actually, what... Oh, not like that. Oh, that's right. These now. Go with... Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, now we have like an interior. Cave interior. I might make it look a little better. Okay. Oh, that's some good progress. Got an enemy in. Got invisible spiders in for, so they don't walk off the edge. All right. All right. I'm going to take a quick break. Be right back. Then we'll get into games. Okay. We are going to play some games for about 45 minutes. I can already think of a way to make this look better, but it's going to have to wait till tomorrow. I already said I was going to play World of Warcraft. Let's just do that. Okay, so auction house, huh? Only thing I didn't sell was this. So be it. Oh. All right. Last herbalism spec. Or no, it's not the last one. Oh. I could just gather stuff, but I feel like that's boring. $571. Actually, I think that's what I should do. Delves. I should go do a delve. Actually, I should do... It's better. You lose versatility, though. Oh, random additional. Gotcha. I go do that. I should go do delves too. Two days and 13 hours on that. I think I'm going to prioritize the delve then. Well, actually, I could just do this quest real quick and it'll help me in the delve. It is only an additional 6, but every little bit helps. So I'm pretty sure I have that. I have the better version of that. This feels kind of nice to have steady flight. Even if it is a tad slower.
Fallside Outpost needs reagents for incense to use
Ah, I
at
see.
morning rise.
Oh, yeah,
Will
you give
accept
warrants.
this new directive and procure them?
Yep. Who's killing all my horns? Oh, there's one. No, there's one. No. frick? Ooh. Nice. No, I missed out on that one. Holy moly, man. I'm just... Come here, Tauren guy. Can I play fair here? Oh no. God, why am I so slow all the fucking time? Alright, never mind.
Honoring
We're good.
those of us in Stasis Lock is important to us. Thank you for your help, Outlander.
Oh, that's
May your
actually
path
better.
be unburdened.
Well, kinda. I didn't realize it was the same thing. Might as well get some while I'm here. That give me. Oh, a seed. Whoopsie. Tier 6. A little high. You might be able to do it though. I think we can do it.
The answers are here. I can feel it. Loads of forgotten knowledge are within our grasp.
Oh yeah. Hey, hold up. Okay. Let's try that.
You'll
what level
find
is he?
me wherever the action is.
Only level 12. Sure, I've done this one before. Okay.
We embrace a new future.
Let's go get that crystal.
Inquiry minds just got to know.
All right. Gotta avoid those spore bits. Okay, that's one. Can't see all that well. I see that stopped working. Oh, because I missed it. Oh, you see, I didn't see that one. Wait, the one swinging around to it, too? Oh, my lord. Alright, we got that one. Going over here. Really, motherfucker? Nope. Why?
Oh, thanks, what's got you. They'll maybe use a doctor.
Oh, it fucking took so long to explode. Why is it always following me? It is still following me. Me. Oh my, it's just, I should just let it. All it's gonna do is just follow exactly where I'm going, like, fuck it. Figured as much. I can do this piece. Alright. That one's finally gone.
Let's have a quick sit down to recover.
Oh, wow. 200 gold. Not bad.
That's more like it.
Hell yeah. You fucking... Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Okay. Ooh, yeah, give me that.
Loads of our knowledge are within our
Oh no! Like literally just get it out of here.
Inquiring minds, chill looking up there, bro.
Really? There's another one that spawns in? That is crazy. I literally wasn't even close to that. Alright, that's 4. Get up there. You have to go around. Oh, yeah. I remember now. I've done this one before, and I couldn't remember.
What are we here?
Nope.
That's more like it.
Okay, well, that was crazy.
Good find.
Ah, crap. That is just so unlucky. That is so unlucky.
You'll find me.
Bran, move. Get out of the goddamn way. There, holy moly. There we go. Oh, he leveled up.
I know just how to deal with this.
It's an item level 600, huh?
To recover.
Here we go. It's not bad, actually. Hey, Alexis. Oh, you just finished your first live stream. Well, that's pretty cool. This is the first live stream on my channel here, too. We are a game dev studio, as well as just playing video games. So yeah, we spent the first, like, hour and a half doing game dev on our platformer. And for, like, the past, I don't know, 45 minutes or so, we've been playing World of Warcraft. Yeah, I can definitely understand. It's definitely, I feel for you. Definitely tough out there for you girl gamers, girl streamers. And mad respect. But I'll have to check your channel out too. But I appreciate you following. And welcome. So we have our Delve 6 completed.
Be you well?
Good morning. Morning, Basil. How you doing? You can see your handiwork down below. I think it looks great. Let's check out the Great Vault. It says we had item level 600 slot. That would be very handy. Wait. In here. Right? Yeah. Oh, 584. Are they tweaking? I hope it's you and not me. Hello. Why can't I hear myself on? Hello. Oh, I can't. Why can't I hear myself on? Hello. Oh, I can't. Yeah, I just wanted to. Oh, okay, gotcha. Thing is, I've been hearing a lot about people. Hold on. Every week. Okay, so I mean, the thing is, this is gonna reset tomorrow. So I mean, I might as well get this. Weekly chest. Set. Oh yeah, yeah. All right, 573. That's pretty good. Oh, my audio straight up. Yeah, okay. Hold on, let me test. Let me change some settings here. Oh, I totally forget what the threshold here is. Hello. Tell me if that sounds a bit better. Like, I changed my head. I turned my head, and it better. I don't know. Yeah, I guess we'll see.
I have calibrated my prices to be reasonable.
Whoa. Huh, okay. Man, the price of that has really gone up. Yeah. Much better until about halfway turned. Until about halfway turned. I can tell it is better. I can tell it's getting better. I think. Unless it's really just starting to sound weird now. How about now? I mean, I don't really predict myself having my head turned at this, but I guess you would never know. I might actually... Yeah. That didn't do it. Unless that also does it. Is it almost more perfect? More perfect now, you say? Almost perfect? We're nearly there. Oh, you see, that's a problem. Wait, tell me, can you hear my keyboard? Wait, let me just do like oh wow, all my stuff's sold. Well, almost all my stuff's sold. Not the hammerfish.
Return.
Alright, hold on, let me just do common stuff. Can you hear my keyboard? It isn't like loud or obnoxious, right?
I got the best deals anywhere. Keep it real.
What is this quest? Oh, I see.
Speak and be heard. Think, order. We must remember both. May the Titans carve your path.
I already have 3. Set starting item level based on crafting. Oh, okay. Well, okay, as long as you can't hear it while I'm doing stuff. As long as it's not obnoxious. Oh, Rostrum of Transformation. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's right, I can change this one. Whoa, sick as hell. Oh, let me solo him. Sir Finley, Murgleton, and Dornigal. Oh, I see. Oh! Cool. I would honestly love either one of these. Oh, I can't do that. Not this one. Yeah, thanks for the help. Thanks for the help, Basil. Have a good night. Speaking of which, I think I am going to call it a night. Marissa needs to take her dental hygiene quiz, and there's really no point to me leaving and then coming back for like, what, maybe like 10 minutes, if that. So, I think I'm going to call it a little bit early. We're going to call it a little bit early today. And we'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow with more game dev and more games. We may do Starfield tomorrow to prepare for the DLC, for the expansion that's coming out next Monday. We may do that. I'm not sure yet, but we may... Well, I don't know. You know what? We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. But, yeah, that was a great... It's a great first stream for Nuclear Swords. We got a lot done. And, whoopsie. Just to kind of show off what I did today in game dev, I'm just going to show you. So, first things first, we got a moving platform down here. I'm going to fix this tomorrow, but I made some tiles for like a cave background. This is like to represent the inside of a cave. Just a mini cave area. That I'm going to put a scroll right here for players to pick up. But yeah, I'm gonna make it look a little bit better tomorrow. And what we also did was create this platform over here, and we have an enemy. It's our cute little anxiety enemy. And we're like ducking and diving in between trees here. So I just love it. It's good stuff. I enjoy it. Oh, I can't. Oh, maybe I can. I died. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, that's what we did today. I feel like that's just a really big step. So far, I'm awesome is turning out great. Oh, and we put in a quit button. So if I press escape, boom, it just closes out. So I love that. But all right. Thank you for joining me here today. Hope you all have a great night. And we'll see you all tomorrow. Same time, same place. 7:30 Eastern. And we'll see you then. The fuck? I don't even know what that was. Okay, bye. Oh, wait. Actually, let's find someone to raid. Let's just do that. Why not, right? Oh, I didn't know Valheim was leaving Game Pass. That's fine though. Oh god. Let's see. Let's if I add a border. Okay, do I wrap with border? Let's rate this guy. His name is Krosjin. Oh, wait a minute. Well, that's not really a border. Krosjin is doing exactly what I'm doing. Like, I was like, wait, that sounds familiar. Oh, of course. He's playing Heartbound music. It's just another. It's just he's doing the same thing I'm doing. We're trying to be. We're trying to be. You know, streaming game devs. All right, let's rate him. I actually think that's hilarious. Oh shoot, I forgot. I can't do that. Let me do that. Oh jeez. We're falling apart. Oh, that's gonna be so annoying. I gotta figure that out. Oh, we can't raid him. I guess he has raid settings set up to where he can only be raided by certain people. Hmm. Well, you know what? Go raid him anyway. We're doing an unofficial raid, okay? Just just go there. Go there. Go hang out. Okay? Thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.